Okay, YouTube, this is the end result of replacing the bad wires and whatnot. I'm keeping the remote. That looks like it's okay, but I won't know until I fired it up. I kept the ignition switch again. That looked okay. The accessory 4 switch I replaced, and I put a gag on here, low beer alarm. I'll probably tie this in with some courtesy light somewhere, just to, I need beer. I replaced the 2 accessory switches here, the mood lighting switch, the 3-way switches, and these are an 8-pin. They're a pain in the hassle. Replaced the navigation anchor lights, and again, this is a whole new switch with a new face. This was all missing. Horn, and then of course the master power. And then the gauges here, the trim gauge has been replaced, and this is an hour meter, and in this case I'll just have to tell everybody it had 136.6 hours on there before I came along. As far as the wiring goes, well, here's for the fish finder, here's for the tachometer. I've got my fish finder's fuse, which I'll purposely drop down this hole so in case something pops, they can the guy who services it can see that there is a fuse here. And then we've got our fuel level, and then what is fuel level and voltage. So at any rate, yeah, I've been replacing everything with stainless steel fasteners. Some of them are a little rusty, and I just thought, you know what, stainless steel looks better anyway. So I don't know if you can see it in the camera or not, but I've got a big old kit I put together of number 6 screws, stainless screws. So now it's just a matter of probably the biggest hassle I had was hooking this guy up. Watch, it'll go. It goes easy going in. Is that right? Yeah. The faces on these dials are not glass, so you'd be cool with not scratching them. Okay, which one's which? Oh dear. I'll leave this loose. I've got a bunch of wires I got to tie together down below, and I know that they need to be routed better. But anyway, so there's what the dash is going to look like. So, and I've got a fish finder that is the same size as this on my fishing boat, but way newer and has GPS on it. Well, by maybe a couple, 3 years newer. And it would be a good replacement for this, and then I could get a cooler fish finder for my fishing boat. Anyway, we'll see what happens there. But so that's how the dash is coming along now. Thanks for watching, YouTube. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. It helps my channel grow, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.